And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Daddy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Perfect.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dora Denny, and I'm back with another banger. So today's title, you can see what we're finna get into. Yeah, I know this is gonna be kind of different. I haven't done a hair video in so long. So yeah, so I just blow dried my hair. And we're finna do a ponytail. But if you're new to my channel, hey, my name's Alicia, or you can call me Adora Denny or Denny or whatever. Da da da. But Alicia is great. If you're old to my channel, welcome back. And I hope you guys are interested in what we're finna get into today. So first, stop right now and hit the subscribe button so you can be Alicia and turn the post notification on so you can see every time I drop another banger. And like, comment, and subscribe. Just honestly, subscribe again. Subscribe tomorrow. Subscribe later. And never done nothing to less. Whatever they be saying. Let's just get into the video. So in the video, I used 2 packs of the Breezy Wave hair. I did use both packs all together, and then to slick my hair, I used the Even spray, the black one. That's really the only one I like using when it comes to ponytails. And then I used the wax spray to mold my hair before I spray it down with the Even spray, so you know it can be smooth. And we got that mold before putting it in place. And then we got a hard brush to make everything slick and smooth. So then the first thing I'm doing right now, I sectioned my hair into 4 parts. So I'm just trying to get my hair as straight as possible so the slick can be slicked. Okay? Yeah. So we just finished flat ironing 1/2 of my head. So we're gonna do the other side in a quick little transition. Yo! Y'all see it is real cute, real stiff. But this ain't no silk press. This is just a little flat iron for the ponytail. So now we gonna put my hair in a ponytail. And my mom had to do something, so we had to change sceneries. So see y'all in the next clip. We had a case of change the scenery because of my mom. So we're gonna finish the video in here. So when I do my ponytails, I always put heat on the wax. It makes it spread easier. That's just personally what I do. So yeah, and it just, I don't know. I just saw it on TikTok and I just decided to do it, and it works better than any time I ever try to use it. It's just easier to spread, I guess. So yeah. In the meantime, just doing what I want. Just some me time. Maybe I love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. So now that the ponytail is molded with everything, you're gonna take that Even spray and just spray it everywhere, and then get the hard brush and the blow dryer and just press it as flat as you want it to be. You want to get a very flat base, so it looks really good. You don't want no coils sticking up and nothing like that. So just keep going with the hard brush until you get your desired look that you're going for.
On the radio, that's my favorite song. Make me bounce around like I don't know, like I won't be here long.
Okay, this is how my hair came out after I was done molding everything. Okay, so now that the mold is done, we're gonna go to the next step and put the braid in. At first, I wanted to sew it in, but I was kind of like struggling with that, and it just wasn't working out. So I went and didn't have like the black strips, you know, that people be using to wrap the ponytails and stuff. So I just found like a wig cap. I don't know what I'm doing, but I just found a wig cap in my room, and I just used that instead to wrap my ponytail. So sometimes you just gotta work what you got, because we were working on crunch time. I had some work to eat, but that's not the point. So yeah, it came out perfectly fine though. So I did try to put the glue on the width, but it wasn't working. It just kept slipping. So I instead put the glue on the wig cap and just started rapping from there.
Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. I used to care what people thought, but now I care more, and nobody out here's got it figured out. So therefore, I've lost all hope of a happy ending, depending on whether or not it's worth it. So insecure, no one's perfect, we spend it with no shame. We blow that like Coltrane, we in here like Rogaine, or leave it like Cobain. And when I'm long gone, whole crew singing swan song, cause we all just ticking time bombs. Got a Lambo like LeBron's mom, and no matter where all of my friends go, Emily, Fam, and Lorenzo, all of them people my kinfolk, at least I think so. Can't tell, cause when them checks clear, they're not here, cause they don't care. It's kinda sad, but I'm laughing, whatever happens. Assassins are stabbed in the back of my cabin, Labrador yapping, I'm glad that it happened. I mean it, between us, I think there's something special. And if I lose my mental, just hold my hand, even if you don't understand, hold up. No matter what you say, what you do, when I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side till 2005. Hold up, 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 hold up. No matter what you say, what you do, I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side till 2005. Hold up, 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 hold up.
So this time my ponytail did end up coming out before doing the final touches, which was wrapping the ponytail area. And this is where I do it at, and I just put got to be glue spray to lock it in and, you know, seal the ponytail so it doesn't come out in any chance, because that would be embarrassing. So
Miss Walker, thank you for wanting a verse from me. Apologies for the wait, sometimes it's hard to get the distractions up off you. For enough time to jot your thoughts, but fuck it, this morning I got to. I'm thinking about you. I heard you just had you another little baby. Congratulations, I hope you got through it with no complications. I find it amazing, the way that you juggle your kids, the biz, the fame, the bitches that's hating. They sit around waiting.
So now that the ponytail is all done, we gotta do them baby hairs in the front and lay them things down. You know what I'm saying? To give it that nice and professional sweet look. This is really we gotta do.
Niggas been doing you wrong, barely been doing you wrong. On days you feeling like you on your own, I wrote this for you to put on. Thank you for sharing your light, your voice, and writing a beautiful poem. Session 32, bring me the tears. Be getting choked up when I hear it. Seem like I keep crying off so much since a nigga had these kids. And I don't know what it is that made me so sensitive, more than I already was. But never mind that, I'm back. I'm sending you this little audio hug, and hopes that you smile, forgetting the stress that piles from all the above. The more that we hurt, the harder we love. As soon as it's gone, we gotta re-up. It's just like a drug. If people knew half of the pressure, they know that it's hard to be her. I'm sending you SZA and Ari, my love. Y'all holding us down, y'all holding the crowns. You ever need something from me, don't hesitate, please. Just hit me and I'll be around. I'm gone.
A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, but boy they pour when I'm thinking about you. You no, no, no. I've been thinking about you. You no, no, no. I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do you not think so far?
So this is what most people do to make their ponytails look real shiny. Put gloss on top of it, and they give it that finished look. So yeah.
I don't like you, I just thought you were cool enough to kick it. Got a beach house I could sell you in Idaho. Since you think I don't love you, I just thought you were cute. That's why I kiss you. Got a fighter jet, I don't get to fly it, though I'm lying down thinking about you. Ooh, no, 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 I've been thinking about you. Cute.
Hey guys, I hope you guys loved this video and enjoyed it. I love my hair. I wish this could have been like a little bit thinner, but it's okay for a little 1 week hairstyle to get me back in my groove. I probably gonna use the same ponytail and put a braid in, because when it start getting tangled, y'all know that organic hair be getting tangled like real bad. Anyway, love you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and post that motherfucking post notification so you can be Denny gang. I'm gonna say it every time, don't mind my broken pinky. But I hope you guys really did enjoy this video, and if you need a quick hairstyle, I hope this is a hairstyle that you can get jiggy with. Period. Bye, I love you guys.